Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today, we're going to solve SkillRack daily test. That is, hollow pattern printing. Firstly, we accept two integers x and y using the scanf function, representing the rows and columns of the pattern. Next, we initiate a for loop for x rows to construct the desired pattern. Inside this loop, for even-numbered rows, identified by I modulus 2 == 0, we print asterisk y times to form solid lines across the y columns. For odd-numbered rows, we iterate through y columns and utilize conditions. If j, the column index, is either the first or the last column, j == 0, or j == y1, we print asterisk to create the border. Otherwise, we print 0 to maintain the hollow structure in the intersection of the pattern. Finally, we move to the next line after completing each row, achieving the desired hollow pattern based on the user's input dimensions. This code generates a pattern where asterisk represents the border and 0 represents the hollow inside, all determined by the x and y values provided by the user. Thank you for watching. Feel free to modify this code to understand how different changes affect the pattern. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.